You're watching Stump Steve. Think you can stump Steve? Leave your question in the comments. True or false? Washing dishes by hand uses less water than a dishwasher.
That's absolutely false. You could typically save 70% water usage by using a dishwasher versus washing by hand.
Name 3 parts that can cause your dishwasher to not dry dishes properly.
The heating element, the circulation fan, if that model has one, and the high limit thermostat.
We have heating element, high limit thermostat, and rinse aid dispenser.
Another very good one. That'll be number 4.
What part of the fridge controls the amount of cold air that enters the fresh food compartment and can cause the fridge to be too warm if it's not functioning properly?
That would be the damper, an air damper.
Air inlet damper or baffle?
I'm doing good so far, aren't I?
True or false? Fridges and freezers are more efficient when they're fully stocked.
False.
It's true! Food in a fully stocked fridge or freezer retains the cold, making the fridge or freezer work more efficiently.
I want to see the science on that. I'm not convinced.
What was the name of the first commercially sold electric washing machine in the United States? Hint, it's also a popular superhero film.
We're going to make a stab at this one. The Marvel.
Ooh, the correct answer is the Thor.
The Thor. I just learned something today. I'm glad I came. Thanks for having me.
Think you can stump Steve? Leave your question in the comments.